Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're getting our hands dirty with a fascinating eco-activism technique, seed bombing. It might sound a little guerrilla, but trust me, it's a powerful tool for positive change. So, buckle up and get ready for 10 shocking truths about seed bombing. Forget chucking random seeds. Seed bombing involves creating little balls packed with potential. We're talking a mixture of clay, compost, and carefully chosen seeds, designed to bring life to neglected areas. Seed bombing isn't some new age invention. It's actually based on techniques used for centuries. In the 1970s, a Japanese farmer named Masanobu Fukuoka championed this method for its natural and efficient approach to agriculture. The clay in a seed bomb acts like a superhero shield, protecting the seeds from hungry birds and pesky critters. The compost? That's the nutrient boost those seeds need to sprout and reach for the sun. Want to join the seed bomb revolution? It's easier than you think. Grab some natural clay, compost, and native seeds. We'll get to why native seeds matter in a sec. Not all seeds are created equal. Choosing native plants that thrive in your local climate is crucial. They'll grow better and support local wildlife. Invasive species? Those are the villains in this story. Avoid them. Seed bombing is a favorite tool for guerrilla gardeners, those awesome folks who transform neglected urban spaces into vibrant green havens. It's a way to bring beauty and life back to our concrete jungles. Whoa there, eco-warriors. Planting on public land can sometimes be illegal. Always check your local regulations before unleashing your seed bombs. Community gardens or areas with greening initiatives might be a better option. Seed bombing isn't just about creating flowery landscapes. It helps clean the air we breathe, cools down our cities during scorching summers, and creates vital mini habitats for wildlife in densely built environments. Pretty shocking, right? Seed bombing can be a fantastic social activity. Organize workshops, spread awareness about the importance of native plants, and get your community involved in creating a greener future, one seed bomb at a time. There are some bonus tips to maximize your seed bombing success. Consider the timing and location. Spring and autumn are ideal seasons for seed bombing, as the wet weather helps seed germination and establishment. Choose accessible areas that get some sunlight. Avoid throwing them in deep shade or heavily trafficked areas. Also, after planting, occasional follow-up visits can help you gauge the success of your efforts and plan future activities. So, there you have it. Seed bombing is a powerful tool that can make a real difference. Remember, be responsible, choose native seeds, and maybe skip the late-night throwing missions. Let's work together to grow a greener future, one seed bomb at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.